Hey guys, it's Scott and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited because I'm going to be opening up my first ever Vegancuts snack box. So Vegancuts is a company that will send you a box filled with some kind of vegan snacks inside. I don't really know what to expect because I've never ordered one. I found a coupon online and I wanted to try it out, but I don't really know what's going to be in here. It's kind of heavy though, so it sounds like there's a fair amount of stuff in here. Open the door to vegan. Got my trusty knife here. We'll open up the box. Wow. There's quite a lot of stuff in here. So I got a card with a cow on the front. This box supports Angel and friends at Iowa Farm Sanctuary in Marengo, Iowa. So this snack box theme is clever classics, innovative takes on old favorites. Cool, so it looks like they give you like a list of the names of all the things that you get in the box here. Alright, let's check out what it is. First up we got some Zahle Candy. Clean teeth candy, the delicious after you eat treat. For a healthy smile, supercharged with xylitol and erythritol, they naturally raise the pH after a meal to help reduce the risk of tooth decay. Interesting. So I guess this is like an after dinner candy, but it actually has a purpose, which is to reduce the chance that you're gonna get cavities. I'll try this one later. Okay, next up we've got some Uni Soy original vegan jerky. I will say it looks a little bit like something I'd buy for my dog. It's really just TVP, that's what it says here. So it's just soy. Alright, let's give this a try. So it kind of looks like a dog treat, but I guess most jerky probably kind of does. It smells like meat. So this is supposed to be mild spicy flavor. You can see pieces of pepper on it. Alright, let's give it a try. Okay. I thought that was really good. My biggest surprise with that is that it has actual jerky texture. Like it's kind of chewy and tough like you would expect from animal jerky. Definitely has really good seasonings too, so that was pretty awesome. I definitely recommend this. Okay, next up we've got the Soulful Project, Hearty Greens and Seeds Multigrain Hot Cereal. Okay, so this sounds kind of like it's some sort of oatmeal. So it's made with whole grain oats, quinoa, chia seeds, flax seeds. And it looks like this is a company that does some kind of outreach. So for every serving purchased, we will provide a serving of our 4-grain hot cereal to a regional food bank in your area. That's cool. I'll save this one for the morning for breakfast sometime. Pretty cool. Next up, we have Miracle Tree Super Caffeinated Moringa Infusion Cherry Chamomile. So it's a bag of tea. Apparently, this has a ton of caffeine. It says it's not recommended for children, pregnant or nursing women, and persons sensitive to caffeine. This will be a good thing for the morning. It's like 9:15 at night right now. I'm not going to be making this right now, but this will be a good breakfast. Maybe this goes good with the oatmeal. Waiting for my dog to be done drinking. What is Dada doing? Yeah. Alright, next up, we've got, oh man, a gigantic cookie called Cookie Plus Protein Chocolate Chip. Whoa. That cookie looks epic. Okay, so this cookie, it's like really soft. So I'm just gonna break off part of it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Let's give this a try. It's got a little bit of a different taste than I expected, but the texture is almost like you're eating cookie dough. The flavor is a little different than a normal cookie dough, and I think it's because of the ingredients just being so different, but it's like a lot better than most protein bars would be. So I think this is pretty good. Alright, what's next? Alright, next up is Pig Out Pigless Pork Rinds, Texas barbecue flavor, full of flavor, free of guilt. It says, pigless pork rinds are hella tasty. So it looks like these are made from rice. Let's give it a try. Huh. So it's kind of like interesting shape. Definitely has a smell kind of like a barbecue chip. Alright, let's pig out on the Pig Out. That's really good. It's got a good barbecue flavor. The texture is like crunchy, and they're baked so they're not greasy or anything like that. These are good. I would definitely recommend these. So far, I've liked everything, right? I think pretty much everything was a really good snack. All right, next up is, wow, this is like a big bag. So it is Right Rice, made from vegetables. And it's lemon pepper flavor. Interesting, so it's rice, but it's made out of lentils, chickpeas, peas, and rice. So maybe just a little bit of rice. So obviously it's just a way to get more protein into something you're gonna cook with rice. Interesting. So I'm gonna definitely give this a try this week. Try to make something, maybe try it in my rice cooker. It looks like there's a website they give you with various types of cooking directions depending on how you wanna make it. I'm actually a big fan of lemon pepper too, so I think this will be awesome. All right, next is, another packet of the tea. So it must just be so you can share your cup of tea with someone else. Okay, next up is Purpo all-in-one cereal. That's a fun name. Purpo with pre and probiotics. It's not Corona. Just got a pig out, went down the wrong pipe. So this Purpo is actually purple sweet potato granola flavored. That sounds really neat. So this will be another good breakfast. I'm not gonna make it right now, but looks like it has oat milk kind of built into the mix. So no, I take that back. It has a packet of powdered oat milk in the container and a packet of granola. So when you make it, you kind of make this liquefied oat milk and then you put the granola on top. Pretty sweet. That'll be another breakfast this week. Okay, just a few more things left. Next up is Rise Nitro Brewing Company Oat Milk Latte. Ooh, so it's Nitro cold brew coffee. Now again, I'm not gonna have this caffeine thing late at night. It'll keep me up all night. And I'm gonna wanna refrigerate this, I think, but I'm excited to give this a try. I don't know that I've ever had Nitro coffee. I've had nitrogen in beer, but not coffee. I'm excited to try it. Next up is the GoMacro Macro Bar. So this is double chocolate and peanut butter chips flavor. I'm gonna give this one a try. You can definitely see like big chunks of peanut butter in this thing. All right, let's try it. That was really good. It tastes like a brownie with like peanut butter, so you can't go wrong. It's a really good tasting protein bar. Okay, the last thing is a pack of Julie's pitted dates. This is fun. This is kind of like a pack of raisins, but instead it's dates. It says it comes with 3 dates. Wow. I really like dates, but they're not something I have very often, so I'm excited to try this. All right, let's try this date. Dates are so good. There's nothing unique about this one. I've been stuck in quarantine for a long time, so it's nice to have a date for once. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this Vegancuts unboxing. Please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any ideas for what I should do in my next video, please leave a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.